Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brad and memberships are going live starting right now. So I'll have everything posted in the next 24 hours. Inside there, there's going to be 3 tiers for now. Just kind of charging for all the paperwork that I'm going to end up having to do in the background. So tier number 1, you just want to be a fan and support me. Now you will get sorted out. So when you make a comment, those people that are members are going to go to the top of the list, and I will reply to those comments first. Getting more and more comments every day, so it's getting harder and harder to get back to everybody. You're going to get emojis. I actually made the emojis of me to start with, but we're working on some more custom emojis just for you. Member only polls. So when I put up a list, as the members pick, you get 7 days. I'll give a whole list of ETFs or closed-end funds I want to look at, and you get to pick which ones are first. And the bottom ones, I might not even review. So it's going to be viewer requested members for some of the videos. Hey, so the next level, hey, you're going to get shout outs. You're going to get my portfolio status as a percentage. I'm going to break down everything I hold, percentages, all of my income fund. I'm still going to do some of the other videos, but at least you know how much business development company I have, how much CLO I have. You'll have all those percentages broken down for you so you can see it. Excel spreadsheets, fully open except for the math. You can look at the math. I didn't hide the math. Just the math, you're not going to be able to punch it, so I don't have to fix it later. So that's going to be available for you. Trying to have it posted within 24 hours of the video. And again, I'm trying to put this all in a Google Drive for you, so you have everything historically saved so you can go back and look at it later. One thing I'll do also is for alerts. So if I'm going to buy something out of the blue, try to make a few dollars, I'm going to tell you 24 hours ahead of time so you can have the knowledge of what I'm going to do and what my target is and when would I sell it. Because I'm not selling a lot of my income investing, but I do a little speculation every now and then. Why not? Try to gain the system a little bit. And the last level, you get a 40-minute conference call with me every month. Hopefully not 1,000 people sign up because that's a lot of conference calls. Anyway, oh, and if you want to hang out at the RV park with me, members will know where I'm at and just tell me where you're coming in, and we can go get a cup of coffee. More than willing to have a cup of coffee because I learn from everybody. I mean, it doesn't matter where you come from or where you're from or education level. I learn from everybody something somehow. And you'd be surprised what you can learn from somebody just having a cup of coffee. Until next time, God bless.